Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna be installing this wiring harness for the tow bar lights, which are gonna go on top of the Dorito right there on top when I tow it. So alright, so I already took this tail light out, which is pretty much 2mm nuts here and here, and it comes right out, pops right out. So I took that out, and on this harness, the one they gave me, here, I have a manual here. So the white one here, it connects to the ground. This brown one connects to the running lights, and then this yellow one connects to the left turn signal, and this green one right here connects to the right turn signal. I called BMW to give me the wiring diagram for the actual harness from the car here, but they couldn't help me with that. They said they didn't even know, they didn't even have it in their system, in their computer. So I pretty much had to find it myself. So I pretty much attached each wire to each one to see which one worked. The way I did that, I pretty much sliced each wire, and this very handy tool here helped me a lot. So I'm gonna show you how it works really quick. So pretty much, for example, you have this one, we wire it through here, and you pretty much spread it by itself. It spreads it right there in the center, and just like that, it works. So that's what I did for all of this. There's two actually splices right here, just like that. Like that. So that's pretty much what the tool does. And now you have just the wire itself. And what we're gonna do, the tow cable kit came with this little thing right here, which connects the two wires. What we're gonna do is gonna put this push this wire through here, then put this wire through here, and then all we have to do is this little tab right here. You're gonna have to push it in, and just like that, you have it. And now I'm gonna do the same connectors here, just like I did right here, to that side over there, and then I'll get back with you guys and see how these tow lights work. Alright guys, so I just finished splicing and putting the connectors on. The last thing you want to do is pretty much fold this tab over here, and then you should be good. So now I'm gonna turn on the car and turn the left turn signal first and see if this light lights up. So turn the ignition on, the button right here, it's on. Turn this left turn signal, go to the back of the car, and the left turn signal works. And now we're gonna do the right. Let's see the right one, and it works. Now we're gonna do both and do the hazards, and they both work, so we should be good. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.